Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers of Lagos and Ogun Talk Show. Me when they talk, my name is still remain John Osas. We dey one location for Ogun State where we come monitor the work when one of our viewers give our brother. We ask our brother name, the work when they into, the particular work when we come monitor here. So Oga, make you tell our viewers your name.
Okay, my name is John. I'm into tiling work. So I do tiling work where I carry where we come monitor.
Okay, so Oga, what you will help tell our viewers when they patronize you and the one will give you this particular work?
Okay, first thing, go for the owner of this house we believe in me and give me this particular work where I do. Thank you very much, sir. May God bless you to build more house. And for our viewers, very thank everybody where they follow this page and they give us a work for this page. I'm very happy. I say may God bless everybody where they give us work for this platform.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you. So Oga, where we dey, so you say na tiles, you say make we come monitor.
Yes, sir.
So if you dey take us around, make our viewers they see am.
Okay. This is we did for master bedroom here.
Okay, this one and one of the room.
Yeah, one the room will be master bedroom.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make we dey show them around, make them see am. See say the tiling it dey very straight and very neat.
Yes, sir.
So you fit tell us the kind of tiles when enter here?
The tiles we enter here na Goodwill Super Polish 60 by 60. Na he enter here.
Goodwill Super Polish 60 by 60. Okay.
That's great.
So Oga, I see they see another color from the side. Wetin be that one wey dey the side?
This one wey dey beside na skirting. We dey call it skirting.
Okay, na skirting we dey call am. Wetin skirting dey do for us, Oga?
So skirting dey protect water. If you dey mop the house, water no go touch the wall so that it will spoil your paint.
Okay.
So this one dey protect water for touch the paint.
Okay.
And they make the place dey beautiful.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how come you can't use another color? Change one like this?
Yeah, the owner want it like this, but most of time they use the same tiles where we take do the room. Now they go for the skirting, but the owner want me we use black tiles because he say he need something design, so he say me we use black tiles.
Okay, so now the owner say make una use black tiles to design them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make we continue. Okay. We'll check how they go. Yeah. Now the bedroom. Okay. So now which one enter here, Oga?
For the floor na 40 by 40 Goodwill. Okay. I enter the floor.
And the wall?
The wall 30 by 60 Goodwill. Now you see enter the wall.
30 by 60.
Now you enter the wall.
Okay. 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 Check and small they go. Yeah. Now the corridor.
Now the corridor.
I see the same.
Not the same 60 by 60.
Okay. One, another room.
Another room.
Okay, okay. I be like saying the same thing see there.
And at the same thing, they for the rooms.
The same skirting, everything.
Everything, not the same.
Okay. This work, they very neat.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
And here, and the same thing.
Not the same thing. Here. Yeah, not the same thing. And so the owner water.
Okay. Could you check on small they go? So Oga, be like say na the parlor how we don't enter.
Na the parlor where we enter so.
Okay, can from here show our viewers around when they see them.
Okay.
You fit dey tell us wetin dey inside here?
This place na 60 by 120 super polish Goodwill.
60 by 120.
Goodwill. Na you enter here.
Okay.
Na you enter here.
Okay. Could you check on small? 60 by 120.
60 by 120.
I enter everywhere here.
Everywhere here.
Both the dining, what would you see so?
Both the dining. So if you can see this skirting, now the same color, now you go for the skirting.
Okay.
Now so the owner take water, maybe we do it like that. So.
But why the rooms say make una design am?
Design am.
Okay. Here.
This place na kitchen. Kitchen na we dey so. Kitchen. The floor where we dey see so na 40 by 40 Goodwill. Na it dey for the floor.
40 by 40 Goodwill.
9 days for the floor.
And the wall?
And the wall, 30 by 60. 9 go for the wall.
Okay. Okay, another one still there?
And now the store be this.
Okay, now the store be this.
Kitchen store, now in the here so.
Okay, now the same thing still there here?
Now the same floor, but the wall they different.
The wall they different.
Now the same.
Okay, make you tell us about this wall.
This wall now the same 30 by 60 Goodwill, but na another color. Some people know they put tiles for store, but the owner say we put we put tiles for the store. For him, so
okay.
I will do so.
Bless, don't finish.
Okay. There's some place, but they don't keep load for those places.
Okay, other place be there where they don't keep load.
Loads.
Okay.
Where they don't keep load.
Okay, what about this one where they see for outside?
This Nigeria tiles. Wey be like bricks.
Okay, this one be like
bricks, but na tiles.
Na tiles be this one. When they call South Africa bricks before.
Bricks before, yeah.
Okay.
So now don't bring another design will be like him, but no be South Africa bricks.
Okay. Okay, nice to be. Which size be this one? Going there?
This one super polish. The same super polish 60 by 60 9 day
60 by 60. Okay.
9
so
day,
make you come here, make our viewers see your face.
Okay.
We don't see the beautiful work when you do for this our viewer.
Yeah.
I'll get the blue say and the best, then you give them.
Okay.
So if our viewers need you, may you come work for other parts of the country, especially the west or your Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State. When we do so Lagos and Kwara, if you go there, go work.
I dey go everywhere, go dey work for Nigeria. If you call me anywhere, I'm there for you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you tell our viewers the square meter when they this house and how much you they charge per square meter?
This house we have there's one room we no show and the bus cutter there. Everything 550 square meter 9 day everywhere.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So make you tell us how much you they charge per square meter,
And I dey charge 1.5 by square meter.
Okay. 1,500
by a square meter.
And if you do this place.
Yeah. But if you are on go like Lagos and Ogun State, that's 1.5. But if you are on go out of like travel to Delta, Anambra, all those places, I dey charge 1.718 per square meter.
Okay. So make you give us your number in case our viewers they want to reach you.
My number is 081 21 81 7930.
Again?
081 21 81 7930.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, We thank una for the time when I take dey watch our videos and motivation when una dey give us. So thank you all and God bless.